As requested, I am going to show what MetaMask is, and how to use it. Besides having a mobile version, you can use it with different browsers such as Google Chrome, Brave browser, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. I guess that most people use the Chrome browser, that's why I decided to make this tutorial using Google Chrome. So let's learn about MetaMask and set it up in under 5 minutes. First of all, what is MetaMask? It is a free and secure browser extension or plugin for accessing dApps in your browser. MetaMask can be installed like any other extension on your browser. Prior to MetaMask, you had to provide your private keys to interact with dApps, which is super risky. MetaMask makes it possible for dApps to access your funds without giving away your private keys. Let's learn a little bit more about the idea behind MetaMask.
This is Sam. Sam uses the internet just like the rest of us. Lots of apps she uses seem to be free, but they actually come at a cost. She knows the internet isn't very secure and strangers own her data. Credit cards are stolen, identities get hacked. She has to navigate a maze of ads just to surf the web, and she knows someone is always watching. But she's heard there's a better way. And then Sam sees it, the promise of a new internet powered by the Ethereum blockchain. An amazing combination of technologies the world is building together that are reinventing how we connect to one another, and it's just within her reach. But to access this new world, she needs the right tools. Meet MetaMask, your connection to the new web. MetaMask is the tool Sam needs to access this new world. It's a key that connects her to new types of applications. It's a wallet that keeps her data and valuables safe and sound. And it's a shield that protects her from hackers and data collectors. With MetaMask, Sam is ready to explore this new internet safely and securely. The possibilities are endless. Sam can use next-generation applications that give control back to the users and the community, own her data and move seamlessly between sites, and send money across the world at a fraction of the cost. Create new organizations with new currencies that bind her communities together. Crowdsource projects and art, or invest in other people's creations. Sound too good to be true? Well, with great freedom comes great responsibility. Sam controls her own identity on this new internet. No more new passwords for every site she visits. Just a secret phrase that controls her accounts. This phrase is her login, her password, and her proof of ownership all wrapped up in one. So Sam has to keep it as safe as she possibly can. Now that she's installed MetaMask, Sam's ready to explore the best version of the internet. Vote, crowdfund, buy stuff, publish writing, make art, hire freelancers. What will Sam do first? Whatever she wants. The internet is hers to explore. Welcome to a new kind of internet. Welcome to MetaMask.
The key takeaway from this video is that you have to keep your seed phrase very safe. Don't lose it or share it with others. Alright, let's start by downloading MetaMask. Make sure you are on the right website. It is metamask.io. I will leave the link in the description. I got a little scared when I read this message, but don't worry about it, and click Add Extension. That will lead you to this page where we can create a new wallet. After this step, you can decide if you want to share your data with MetaMask. This will help them improve their product, but if you don't feel comfortable sharing your data, simply click No Thanks. Next, you have to create a password and agree to the terms. This step is the most important one. Now you will get your seed phrase when you click Reveal Secret Words. Write this down and keep it in a safe place. In case you lose access to your wallet, you need these words to recover it. And don't share it with anyone. Did you write your phrase down? I hope you did, because MetaMask is going to test you right away. Don't be lazy and write it down. Confirm your seed phrase and congrats, you have successfully set up your MetaMask wallet. Now we can use it to connect with dApps like Bunny Finance or PancakeSwap. Before we can transfer funds, we need to have some Ethereum in our wallet to pay for the gas fees. You can either send Ethereum to your wallet address or buy it with cash. MetaMask also lets you use other blockchains. My personal favorite is the Binance Smart Chain, because the fees are much lower at the moment. Once you have some funds in your account, you can then click Connect your wallet and select MetaMask. This will only take a few seconds to connect to dApps such as PancakeBunny or PancakeSwap. That was our short tutorial on MetaMask. We hope you found it helpful. Please leave a like and we will see you in the next video.